Your fasting glucose test came back normal, but that number can look perfectly fine for over 10 years, while your body is already quietly breaking down underneath it, according to research tracking over 6,500 people. Meanwhile, the healthy foods you've been eating, instead the rice, the grapes, the granola, might be spiking your blood sugar just as hard as candy, and you have zero symptoms to warn you. So if your test can't catch it, and your diet can't be trusted either, how do you actually know if your blood sugar is quietly destroying your body right now? You get your blood test done, you wait a few days, then the doctor's office calls, or you check the app on your phone. The screen says one word: normal. Your fasting blood sugar is fine. You feel a little wave of relief wash over your shoulders. You breathe out. You think, good, I don't have to worry about that anymore. You close the app and go back to your day, back to your coffee, back to your toast, back to feeling safe. But here's the part almost nobody tells you. That number on your screen can say normal for a very, very long time, even while something is already going wrong deep inside your body. Scientists tracked more than 6,500 people for years and years. They found something strange. In many of these people, their body's ability to handle sugar was already breaking down more than 10 full years before they were ever told they had a problem. 10 years. Think about that. That is longer than some kids spend in school. And during every single one of those years, their fasting blood sugar test kept coming back normal. The test looked calm. The number looked safe. But underneath, the machine was already struggling. So picture it like a small crack forming inside a dam. From the outside, everything looks fine. The water is calm. The dam looks strong. But inside, the crack is spreading a tiny bit more each year. Nobody notices, because nobody is looking in the right place. That test you trust, the one that made you feel safe, might be the last thing to change, not the first. It is watching the water level, not the crack in the wall. And that leaves one question sitting right in front of you. If your normal test cannot catch the real problem in time, what is actually happening underneath it that nobody is checking? Deep inside your body, your pancreas is working overtime, and you have no idea. Think of your pancreas like a tiny factory. Its job is to make a helper called insulin. Insulin's job is to grab sugar from your blood and push it into your cells, so your blood stays calm and steady. But when your cells stop listening to insulin the way they should, the factory has to work harder. It has to make more and more insulin just to get the same job done. It is like a worker banging louder and louder on a door that used to open with a soft knock. And here is the trick. All that extra insulin is doing its job so well, your blood sugar test still looks normal. The number on the screen stays calm. But that calm number is hiding a factory running hot, working overtime, day after day, year after year. You feel fine. You look fine. Your test says fine. But inside, the pressure is building. There is a real test that can catch this early. It is called fasting insulin, and doctors can also use it to find a number called HOMA-IR. This test does not look at just your blood sugar. It looks at how hard your factory is working to keep that sugar looking normal. But here's the strange part. Almost nobody gets this test. Most doctors don't order it unless you ask. It sits there, hidden, while the standard test gets all the attention. So your body has a secret alarm system running in the background, quietly overworking itself, and the test everyone trusts cannot even see it. The real story is happening in the factory, not on the calm little screen, which brings up something even more unsettling. If eating normal and testing normal still leaves this hidden problem building inside you, could the very foods you think are healthy be feeding it without you ever knowing? Picture two people sitting at the same table, eating the exact same banana. Same bite, same size, same everything. Scientists actually did this. They hooked up more than 800 people to little sensors that watch blood sugar all day long. Then they fed them the same foods and watched what happened. One person ate the banana and their blood sugar barely moved, calm as a still pond. The other person ate that same banana and their blood sugar shot way up, way past what most doctors would call safe. Same fruit, same bite, two totally different storms happening inside two different bodies. Now think about grapes and rice. Foods that sit right there in the healthy aisle. Foods people trust without a second thought. In a newer study, scientists gave people rice and grapes and watched their sensors closely. Almost everyone spiked. It didn't matter if their body was already healthy or already struggling. The rice and the grapes pushed blood sugar up high, again and again, person after person. So here's the problem. You cannot just look at a food label and know what it will do inside your own body. What is calm for one person can be a spike for another. What looks harmless on the outside can be causing a storm on the inside, and you would never see it coming because you feel nothing. No pain, no warning bell, just a silent spike, happening again and again, meal after meal. So if your own body could be reacting to your healthy plate the same way it reacts to candy, how would you even know? And what would that be quietly doing to you over time? Think back to how you felt an hour after lunch yesterday. Did your eyes get heavy? Did your brain feel foggy, like walking through thick fog? Did you suddenly crave something sweet, even though you just ate? These are not random. They are small flags waving from inside your body, telling you something is off. But here's the good news. You can calm this storm, and it doesn't take long. Just changing the order of your food helps. Eat your veggies and protein first. Save the bread and rice for last. And studies show your spike can drop by over a third. Take a short walk after you eat, just 15 minutes, and your blood sugar can settle far faster than any morning workout could fix it. Even a small splash of vinegar in water before a meal can smooth out the storm before it starts. And next time you get blood work done, ask for one more test. Ask for fasting insulin, not just blood sugar. That is the number that shows the real story, the one hiding behind the calm scream. So try it. Just 14 days. Reorder your plate. Take your walk. Ask for that test. Then notice how your body feels and let it prove the truth to you.